Liga dito. Oh, sorry.
Si Ben, tapos ikualis na kang Bessie William na naman. Kasi kami naalis din kami eh. Mag-award lang sa news. 4 o'clock ang ni Will.
Oh, shoot.
Hello, kumusta? Okay lang kayo dalawa. Kumusta?
Okay lang po.
Kayo ang nagsira niyan?
Ay, hindi po. Na ganyan talaga yan.
An anonymous decision. Yung galingan na guys ha. Mahal na kaming mga model dito.
Ay, oo.
Oh my God! My son and Ben!
Yung naka-red.
Go Green Team!
Wait, ang madala hindi na po sa yung tanghad.
Woohoo! Let's go, Green Team!
Louder! Louder!
Let's go! Uy! You go!
Okay.
Defense!
Number 9 yung ginawa yung bola.
Yeah. Ay, hindi ko po. Ay, doon po siya, oh. Doon po, oh. Hindi naglaro. Hindi ko po alam. Hindi ko po alam. Oo. Baka di-injured.
Injured?
Oo. Hindi ko po alam, baka. Ay, oo.
Baka na ano yung kamay niya. Sayang, idol ko pa naman.
Ay,
Magaling siya, uy. Magaling siya mag-ano.
Oh, shoot. Let's go, Kuya Miguel!
Kuya,
Uy,
mo
uy,
yan,
uy,
Bert.
guys! Ay, ay, ay. Hindi, nakilala ko lang.
Ah,
Pero kuya na lang.
Yung mga model dito makakatatakbo.
Action 7:45.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Ay. Bakit ako lang mag-isa?
How did you bring your snacks here?
Nice! Rebound! Yeah!
agree.
Nice! Ay, shoot.
Go, Beth.
Defense. Ay, sige, defense, sige. Ay, ay. Uy, shoot! Uy. Nako.
I have no car.
I'll see what the score is.
Yeah. Come on, Green!
See? See? Same shoes.
Nice. Let's go. Ay, rebound. Ay.
Annie!
5 minutes.
Ay. Come on, 3. Ay. Yes! Woohoo! Ay. Rebound. Yeah! Woohoo!
Substitution.
Ay.
Green, 14 foul.
Who's winning? Why is it draw on the side?
Rebound! Ay.
Lang rebound!
Get it. Nice. Ay.
Second foul.
Nice,
3
go.
minutes.
Ooh! Woo!
Red team, 4 foul.
Ben!
What?
Ay.
What did you get?
Oh, because he thought it's
Let's go. Ay. Come on. Shoot. Ay.
wow, what a rebound!
Ay.
Ba't ang lakas nila?
Grabe. Ano ba? Sige, 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 go! Ay! 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 Nice rebound! Ay! Ay!
Shipan.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a tense battle.
Sino na?
Tatlo, di ko alam.
Shout out to Noel. Shout out to John, Clyde, Estomo, Juni, Valderrama.
Whoever is watching, shout out to
Yes.
everyone. Oh my gosh. Let's go green.
Go green!
Go, go, go. Ay, shiba. Oh, no. Ay. 3, come on, come on. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh!
Ay.
Fifty seconds.
Ah! Putik. Tumama! Oh my God! Woo! Oh! Ah!
41 seconds.
Oh my gosh. Come on. Ay. It's okay, it's okay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay.
41 seconds.
Pasok na yan. Ah! Woo! Come on guys, defense.
Nine na sila.
32 seconds. Number 11, 35.
Wala.
We're still foul?
Naku.
14 seconds.
14 seconds.
14 seconds. 13. 10.
Defense! Defense! Ah! Defense! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Oh my gosh!
Wala na.
Oh!
11-7.
Naku, naku.
Mommy, did you have fun? Alex.
Grabe, napaka-intense.
Okay, never mind.
Ano
Is-
po score?
Score is
Red
11.
is 11. Green is 7.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
I saw it. I saw it. See if you remember my
I want to walk.
Ay, she! Uy, shoot! Ay! Uy! Green!
Share with them. Huh?
Ay, ay.
Substitution point. Shots good.
Okay, it's time.
Woohoo!
Good job, Ben.
Rudy, quick one out.
Yeah, because it's not spotted. Ben, please!
Oh my gosh.
Yes!
Rebound, rebound. Ay, ay, ay.
And I start.
Ay.
Oh,
Yeah! Woo! Please, makahabol. Come on, la, la.
Go, CJ!
Nice! Ay! Ay, ay, ay. Come on, come on, come on. Fudge. Oh my gosh. Come on, ay, ay, ay.
Go, Ben!
Guys, rebound, rebound. Come on, let's go, let's go. Woohoo! This is so intense.
You score 16-12.
Oh my god.
Hi. Now what? Score is 19-12. Rebound.
Substitution. Five minutes and 25 seconds.
Red team 19, green team 12. Nice steal. Come on, let's go. Shot. Ah! Oh, Grabe. Uy, nalalamang sila. Nice! Still come down! Talaga, agawan talaga. Naku, naku.
Red ball.
Ah, red ball?
Time for
These
release
spirits,
and 25 seconds.
ref, right?
Against out.
Oh, yeah.
I thought you were gonna be.
Last
Yeah, I
4
think
minutes.
second game. They're playing second game.
here second.
Yeah.
Guys,
They might be here.
ay, naku! Uy! Guys, come on! Ay!
Time 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Lakas ng red.
Yeah. Nice! Mala. It's getting intense, guys.
Time 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Well, you have the same shoes with him. The one who's gonna do the free throw.
Substitution. Three minutes and 20 seconds.
Hey, nice. Three. Come on, habol, habol.
Action 1 minute and 49 seconds.
Nakita? Nanay, may laro kasi.
Still, come on, come on.
Ay!
Ay.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Three. Ay.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Oh my God, that is her. Oh.
Naku po.
Green thinking fouls. Red 2. Last 1 minute.
Ay, ay, ay. Naku, naku. Woohoo! One more, one more.
How do I do that?
Yeah! Nice, nice, nice. Ay! What is that? Naku. Score ay 21 red, 19 green.
14, 18, 12,
9.
5, 4,
Ay.
Intense, intense.
Ask Tita Jane. Tita Jane! Where's the canteen daw? He brought money for the canteen.
wala pa kayong mga kalaban natin.
Is it second half time?
Apo.
Right? Is it half time now?
Ah, kaya pala hindi siya naglaro kasi na ano.
Ano daw?
Kaya pala hindi siya naglaro kasi na ano yung kamay niya.
Ah.
Where's William's bag, Sammy? Where's William's bag? Bakit kaya hindi siya naglaro?
Na ano yung ano niya? Kamay.
Yung kamay niya po yun, no? Kamay niya.
What time we're leaving, Scott?
Ay, pwede na i-score.
Ayun!
Yehey!
Somebody fix it.
Ang laki.
Tatay, ako ito.
Should we split up or you take one? Spend here? I don't know.
He has a car, so maybe you're gonna watch William's game too. You think?
Stretch.
Ben, we're leaving for William's game, okay? We're leaving for William's game. Okay lang?
Oh no, that doesn't count. I want.
Let's go! Ay! my, ay. Just... Defense! Defense! Oh my gosh.
Wow, this is his fourth.
Last one na lang itira na rin. He's out.
Let's play basketball. Come on. Where do you want to win? Not playing a match.
Defense! 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 Ay. Oh, yo, what's up? Nice, come on, let's go. Okay. Ooh, shoot. Rebound, yes! Ay. Ay. Oy, what the heck? Win ba?
Seven na.
Kanina na yun. Let's go, green team! Ay!
I wasn't there.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, get that. Oh, foul! Let's go, Kuya Miguel. Ay. It's okay. Woohoo! Tay na. 21-21. Defense! Woo! Let's go, defense. Ay. Oh! Nice defense! Ay! Ayan, go. Open. Ay, open. Go, get it! Ay! Oh, out yun, oy! La! Come on, Green! Ay! Kita! Yan, do. Nako. It's still tie. 21-21.
Put your name down.
May komento na ako. Sub.
Wow.
Put in the credit card. That's just it. You're an astronaut. Then
Come on, defense! Yeah, green ball. Ay, shit. Come on, let's go, Kujo. Ay, ala. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay! What happened? Green ball. Guys, listen. Yeah. Hey, look. Fudge. Ay, lala. 3 kami, kuya. Let's go! Woo! Hey, let's go! Defense! Ay! Come on!
Defense!
Shoot, come on, rebound, Woo! Nice. Ay. Score ay 27 red, 25 green. Game is so intense, guys. Let's go!
Relax, Baldy, relax!
Ay, naku. Ako yun eh. Free throw. Come on, guys.
Second shot.
Relax. Relax ka, guys. Hindi ko alam kung nangyari. Ay! Whoa! What the heck? No. Whoa. Oh no. Listen. It's a tie. It's a tie. 28-28.
Hindi na pineapple. Under
Ay, ay, ay. Now, 29-28. My sound effect, guys. Whoever's watching, my bad. Oh, ay, 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 grabe naman. Oh! My, ay, ay. Come on, guys, relax. Relax.
inhale.
Exhale. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, let's go. Come on. Ay, ay, ay.
William there. I'll take my card.
Come on, Napper. Ay, nagsibal na garo. Three. Guys, that was a 3.
$31.
32 red, 31 green. That was a good 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 shot.
Yeah. Sakit na yung likod ko.
Yung ganun ko. Stretch, yes. Stretch ka more. Last quarter? Last quarter na ata to. Woo!
Intense na.
Stay tuned, guys. Stay watching. Stay watching. Ano yun?
Keep watching.
Kaya nga. Keep watching, guys. Blue! Gago ko. Uy! You flushed them. Rebound! Woo! Let's go, kuya! Ah! Let's go! Woo! Ah! Yay! Woo! Mga nag-zoom out na.
Pero kasi yun sa mukha mo yun eh.
Uy, hindi. Ay, shout out to whoever watching.
Shut up.
Wala ka to. Shout out.
Shut out, shut out.
Foul, foul, yun.
Decision yan.
Let's go. Tug, 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 tug. Nice, nice. Applause, applause. Woohoo! 32-35. Defense! Defense! Ay, 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 nice.
Okay, okay, okay. 34-35 na.
34-35. 34 is the red and 35 is green. Yeah.
5 seconds left in the fourth quarter.
Wala yan. Behind you. Oh, Josh! Wala!
Oh my God.
Nako, nako. Woohoo! One more, please, please, one more. Para tayo. Woohoo! Tie, 37-37. Let's go! Naku! Oh, yes! Nako, Shubal. Woohoo! Napaka-intense ang laro nyo.
Yes.
Green ball. Oh, shoot. Oh, yo. this game. Applause, applause. $37. 37. Oh my gosh. Hindi. Fall ba? Hindi ko
foul.
alam. Ay, fall ata. Hindi ko alam. Nag-time out sila. Hindi ko po alam kung foul. Travel, gano'n. Travel, gano'n. Yeah. Hindi ko na alam. Mag-foul sila. Travel ito eh. Oo.
Travel to, that's foul. O kasi tinulak.
Oo, baka.
Oh, ano, decision lang talaga. 4 minutes.
Woohoo! Oh my gosh! Foul yun. Dami ng foul ang green. Defense! Nice. Uy. Yes! Come on! Oh my gosh! It's getting more intense and intense, guys!
Slow connection.
Ay. Patalo yan. Take off this. Woohoo! 37-40. Yes! 37 red, 41 green. Uy. Grabe, dami ng foul. Ay.
That's your fourth foul, number 19.
No, it was a foul.
1 minute, 57.
Best kahit manalo po makakaabot na next week.
Yeah, we were saying it's
Slow down, yeah. Grabe, uy. Uy! Ay! Let's go! Wow! Uy! Grabe, slow down. 38 red, 45 green. Nawala ka ng boses. Mukhang nagse-celebrate na ang green team. Don't celebrate yet.
Ilang minutes na lang.
Hindi ko pa alam. How many more minutes? Ay, 2 minutes I think. Kanina 3 eh. Oh, never mind. 1 minute na lang guys. 1 minute left.
Decision kasi kami guys.
Alas po. Oo. Alas na ba? Ata. Oo.
Feeling namin.
Feeling po. Game is so intense. Kaya nga eh, di ba? Halos sigaw. Let's go! Woo! Defense! Woo! Ay, 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 ay.
Okay, okay.
Sino? Ay, 5 fouls na daw. Ay!
Hello.
19! 5th foul! Out!
No!
Oh no, he's disqualified guys. Ay, hindi pa. Disqualified ba yun? Ay, hindi pa. Hindi ko alam guys.
Di ba kayo basta 5?
Pag 5 ka, out na siya. Yeah, pag 5 foul, alis na. He's not playing anymore.
What the frick?
Yeah. Hindi po, pang 5 lang na foul. Oo. Pang 5th ano foul niya na yun. Hindi po. Talagang pag 5 talaga, alis na siya taga. Oo.
Let's go!
Come on, come on, come on! Hala. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Ay! Ah! Nine! Eight! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Good game, good game. Wala pa pala, di pa tapos. Ay, ay, ay! Ay, takas na na. Apo talaga. Red team 40, green team 47. Yay! Ilan seconds na?
49.
Ay, 49 seconds left.
The score is 40-47, underdog.
Underdogs are winning.
Dapat may girls din.
Yeah, meron dapat girls na.
Pero sasali
Basketball.
ka.
Yes, sali ako po basketball, please. Kaya no, may girls dapat.
Oo, intense yan.
I
Nakakatawa.
want to play basketball too.
40-47, underdog.
11 na watch. 11 na. $49 seconds left.
49 seconds left.
Woo! Defense! Defense! Come on, let's go! Come on, may open! May open! Oh, nice! Uy! Uy, foul! Uy! 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 What? Bro, that was a foul earlier. 25 seconds left. Nako. Everything is so, ano na ah. Nako. Later din matching.
Alo, nagigigil na.
Mon defense! Woo! Mon defense! Ah! Woo, bakit ko? Intense ang game. Come on, kita! Hala!
Oh my God.
Uy! Come on, defense! 3, 2! Ay. Woo! Panalo ang underdog green. Celebration na nila.
Yes. Nice one.
The score is 40 red, 47 green. Both team played an incredible game. Uy, kalawin. Pwede na akong komentor. Panalo ang underdog. What a nice game, eh? What a nice game. Tara pa tayo doon, maglaro din tayo, no?
Hindi ko kanina, inuwi na lang. Sarap pa ako. Alat. Guys, good luck guys ha. Kanina lang kataksak.
Ako na.
Alam ko tayo maglalaro sa mayor.
Sponsor pa naman tayo ng Cebu. Sponsor kami ng Cebu.
Okay, thank you very much for watching me for the first game. It's a tie game, so before you go to the next game, we want to announce the mythical fight. So hopefully all the players and all the teams are still here, so we can announce it. So mythical fight for chosen this time. There's the players for each team. So we're gonna go
Pero nagsasabay na sila.
names of the best players of each team. So we're gonna hand out some prizes and your t-shirts. And we want to overseas are still here. Some of them. Okay, so for the confusion, this is the mythical fight. The best players for each team. Yes, thanks, Vince. So, and after the mythical fight, we will go on the MVP of the season. I think this is the second season of Filipino League, so we will go on the first team. Very dubious team here. We call on Mark de Guzman. Yes, Mark. Ikaw na lang ala, i-present na team. Hawak ka lang ang tayo dito, ha? Okay. And from the other coach, Chris Miguel. There you go, Miguel. And we will go on. And D-Nation. Of course, hindi mo wala pa sa lahat ng liga. Mr. Payaw!
Yan.
Okay, from Boise, Connors.
Yes, Connor!
May wala siya. Absent.
Ayun muna kayo.
Ay, meron pala.
Number 5 from D-Nation. From Phoenix, Gabe Caneta. There you go. Okay. Patayin muna kayo dyan. Picture.
Sure, guys, screenshot nyo na. Ang mga favorite players nyo.
This one is Filipino community. Meron kayong gift card from ito.
Si Sito. Gawin. Ay, naku. Harap dito, picture naman. Meron kayong mga fans. Uy!
And before you go, you're gonna call the MVP. You wanna take a picture with them or okay. Okay, let's go on the MVP of the season.
Say go, Daddy. That's Daddy.
From Hunter Jones.
Ano daw?
There you go. Okay, thank you very much for all the players and
Bye-bye, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Uy, the vlog. How do you end? Finish, diba?
I-finish mo na?
Oo, sabi daw, hindi na daw.